Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up and configure hCaptcha in Affiliate Press. Scroll down to the Captcha Integration section and enable the hCaptcha integration. To configure hCaptcha in Affiliate Press, you will need a site key and a secret key. Now go to the hCaptcha dashboard to continue the setup. Now open the Sites page. This is the Sites page. Click the Add Site button. Enter the basic information and domain name, then click the Save button. Your site has been added. Copy the site key, go to the back end and paste it. Now go to the hCaptcha settings page. Here you can see the secret section. Click the Generate New Secret button to generate a secret key. Your secret key has been generated. Copy it and paste it into the back end. Click the Save button to apply the changes. The changes have been saved successfully. Now go to the Affiliate Press Sign Up page. As you can see, hCaptcha is displayed at the end of the form. Now open the sign in page. This is the sign in page. Here you can see hCaptcha. Enter your username and password, then click the sign in button. An error is shown because hCaptcha is not verified. Now verify hCaptcha and click the sign in button again. Now you can see the user has successfully logged in. Now let's change the hCaptcha behavior. Go to the hCaptcha sites page. Open your site record. Scroll down to the hCaptcha behavior section. Select the Always Challenge option and adjust the passing threshold. Then click the Save button. The changes have been saved. Now go to the front end and log out the existing user. Now verify hCaptcha again to see the result. You can see the new verification method. Follow the on-screen instructions. Now complete the hCaptcha verification.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.